Jarvis, can you shut down this alarm, please?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Jarvis.
Sir, it's 4 a.m. The temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and today weather will be sunny.
It's 4 a.m. and I feel like I slept only 5 minutes.
I can understand, sir. Last night you slept while working, but you slept more than 4 hours and now we have to work. Please wake up.
Okay, give me 5 more minutes, please.
Sir, please wake up, or I am calling your girlfriend.
Are you stupid? Okay, I'm getting up, don't call.
Thank you, sir.
Mom is also sleeping. Okay, wait, I'm coming.
Sir, where are you going?
Susu bhi na jaun.
What do you mean?
Sir, may I go to washroom, please?
Ah, sure, sir. I thought you were going to sleep again.
चुप रह यार. Okay, Jarvis, wake up.
Sir, I am always here for you.
Can you tell me what we are working last night?
Sir, we are working on a data transmission project. You should check it.
Okay, can you check my social media before we start?
Sure, sir. What should I check?
Check my Facebook. Maybe we have message.
Checking Facebook. No, sir. We didn't receive any message on Facebook.
Okay, on Instagram.
No, sir. We didn't receive any message on Instagram.
Okay, close them.
Okay, sir. Closing Facebook and Instagram.
Jarvis, can you play music before we start?
Sure, sir. Sir, should I continue this?
No. Close it.
Okay, sir.
Play something unique, like new
Sir,
type.
should I play Despacito song?
No. Okay, play by your choice.
Okay, sir. Wait a second.
खेलना ही नहीं यार मुझे, भाग.